Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a mosaic transitions to your edit in CapCut. So here I've already opened my clips on CapCut, and to easily create the mosaic transition, you can actually use the one provided by CapCut. So by clicking on the transition box, you can just start by that and then click on the blur category, and in here just swipe the blur transitions options until you find mosaic. So this one, just click on that mosaic transition options and wait for it to be applied to your clips. Okay, so after that you can just adjust the on how much you want the transitions to be applied. I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds, and if you want to apply to all of the clips, just click on apply to all and click on a check icon, and this is the result for the mosaic transition. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.